Guys, I'm playing Black Blizzard. So you see the practice mode. I was just practicing the level, getting a nice layout. Oh, getting a nice layout. Just a layout, feeling the level difficulty. So yeah, I was just doing practice mode for that. So now I'm gonna do the video. Yup! And since I get a new best, let's just go on with practice mode. Okay, staircase. Oh my god. Oh no, I had to remove all of the checkpoints. Just hold. Hopefully we get past the staircase. And we got this crazy spamming part, which is honestly kind of brutal. It's not brutal, but it's hard. Oh, drop part. Ah, and you don't vote. Bam, 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 bam. So that's why. Oh, and by the way, this drop is actually much harder than I thought. Ba oh. Oh. Let's just remove hitbox so we can try to focus. Oh man, we need hitbox. This might. Ah! Who wants to play dual game modes? This is a bad idea, attempting to play this level. So that's a spam, right? Right. Okay. Drop. Hey, what? So go. So is that all? That's not. I want to try practice. Practice what? I don't think new best is a perfect way. I want to go somewhere so we can make a run at the drop part. And then yeah, that's all. 27% and drop part. Yeah, that's perfect to start as a beginner of this level. Oh yeah! Oh, this is the part I forgot. Let's do this. Oh, don't tell me that it's hard. It's a hard part. It's a hard part, so that's why we're practicing the level. Oh. Let's just put checkpoint here. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Oh my. So it's gonna be like, yeah. I know the timing. Spam. Oh yeah, not that long. I thought it was the whole part. Okay, let's try again. So first you that's a fake one. Fake art, you jump here and make a late timing. Fake art. And you jump here, make a late timing, and don't click there. Yeah. Just gotta focus. No! Oh, wait. I think I can make it a little bit further. I'm feeling like Doggy streaming grief. In the stream, he make runs in some weird parts on the level, and then I felt like Doggy beating grief. No! Not Jit, no cap. No. It's hard to go back. Oh! No! I think you need to click early. Oh, I can go further. I can go further. But I think at least the ball part. Yeah, ball part. Spam, spam. Oh! Just let me get to the ball part again, and hopefully I just end the video, I think. Oh yeah, I need to make serious spam on that. Oh! Okay. Why do I fail that jump? Oh my! Oh! No! Click, click. Why? Why did I die there? Well, that's all. That's much practice. Well, I think it might be really thing that when we record, that may be a big problem because the level itself is really hard. Bye.